Amara, take this 1,000. Go to the market. Buy fish, pepper, and tomatoes. Make sure you collect my change. Do you hear?
Yes, Mommy. I'll be fast, I promise.
Good. And don't play on the road. Come straight home.
I won't play, I promise.
So the first thing you need to do is to go to your ChatGPT to create your prompt. So I already have my prompt drafted. You can see here, I wrote scene 1 to scene 5. Like scene 1, I said, the woman sends the girl on an errand. And then after scene 1, give me a scene of her at the market buying fish, pepper from an elderly woman. So all the way down to scene 5. Okay, I already explained to ChatGPT how I want the scene to look like. And then I also told ChatGPT to write prompts to generate images for each character. Okay, so I need the character of a woman, a girl, the grandma, and the friends. Okay, so I told ChatGPT to, generate prompts for each of those characters. And then I also said write prompts to generate images for each scene and make it very bright and well constructed in modern settings. Okay, there are some errors in my typing here. Please don't mind that, but you understand what I'm trying to say. So, and then ChatGPT gave me the scenes and then the character description. Okay, now look at this, the image prompts for characters. This right here is the character for the mother, and this is the character for the girl. And then moving further, we're going to get the character for the elderly woman, which is this right here, and then the character for her friends. Okay, so this is the prompt for her friends, for the girl's friends. All right. So now that we've gotten the image characters, then again, ChatGPT also, together with the image prompt characters, also gave me the scene, how the scene is going to look like. Prompt for the scene, which is image 1 generation prompt, 3D pizza animation, very bright and all of that. Gave me also for scene 2 prompt all the way down to scene 5. And then I told ChatGPT to create dialogue for each of the scenes. And then ChatGPT gave me this dialogue for scene 1, dialogue for scene 2, for scene 3, and all to scene 5. Okay. So now that we have our prompts fully ready, we're going to first generate our images. So to generate your image, you're going to go to your browser or to Whisk AI. We're going to be using Whisk AI. Okay, just go to your browser and type Whisk AI. Then if you have not registered before, if you're a new user, all you need to do is just to register your account. And when you're done, it's going to bring you right here. Okay, so here I'm going to be pasting the prompts of each of the characters so that we'll generate our characters first. And then we'll generate each of the scene. So you're going to come to this part where you see add images. Okay, so now that we're here, you can either upload an image if you have your image ready, or you upload your prompts. You type in your prompt here. But for this tutorial, we are typing our prompt. So you click here, and then I'm going to paste the prompt of the mother, of the woman. Then I'm going to generate. So here we have the picture of the mother. So we're going to come over here to create the picture of the girl. So now we have the picture of the girl. So I'm going to go ahead to create the rest images. Okay, so all our images are ready. Okay, so here we have the image of the mother. Right here, the image of the friends. Here, the image of the girl. And here, the image of the old woman selling in the market. So now you can see that all our images here are selected. You can see it here. All right. So the reason we are creating these individual images is so that we'll be able to get a consistent character for each of the scene. All right. So if you're going to come over here to close this. So now that we close this storyboard, you can see that we have the 4 characters selected here. All right. So we're going to go back. Now we want to create the image of the mother and the girl when the mother was sending the girl the errand. Okay, so you're going to come here, deselect this image, and then deselect the image of the grandmother. So we just have the image of the girl and the mother selected. So you're going to close it. So now you can see we have these 2 images selected. So we're going to create this scene where we have the mother and the daughter. Okay, so here is our prompt. Pizza 3D animation, very bright and well contrasted scene inside the modern Nigerian living room, sunlight, lighting, and all of that. All right. So when you are done, aspect ratio still remains the same. Then you're going to click on generate. Click generate here. So as you can see, our image has been generated. Now we have two images here, so we can just go ahead and choose any one of your choice. Okay. So I'm going to go with. Okay. Let me go with this. So you click on the image and then you download. Okay. And that is it. So I'm going to create the next scene. So the next scene is the scene of the little girl and the old woman in the market selling fish and pepper. Okay. So this is our prompt, and you copy your prompt. Then we come over here and go back to add images. Now we are creating the scene of the old woman. So we're going to deselect the mother. So we're selecting the image of the girl and the grandmother. Okay. So that we'll be able to have consistent characters in all of the scenes we are creating. So you can see that the grandmother and the little girl is remaining here. So we have our prompt here of the old woman and the little girl. All right. Then we generate. Can you see that our character is consistent now? Can you see this? So here is the character of the little girl buying something from the old woman in the market. Okay. So I'm just going to go ahead and download any one of my choice. All right. So I'm just going to go ahead and create the remaining scene. It's the same method. You do that and create the remaining scenes. So here we have all our images ready. Okay, you can see this is the last scene. We had the scene where the mother was waiting for her, the scene where she was playing with her friends, the scene where she was in the market, and the scene where the mother was sending her the message. So now that we have all our images ready, we are going to go ahead to animate our images. So to animate our images, we're going to be working with Grok AI. You can either download the app, just go to Play Store and type Grok AI and then install, or you go to your browser and type Grok AI. So I already have the app and I'm just going to click on it. Okay, here is the app, Grok AI. Then you're going to come over to this place right here to upload your image. So when you upload your image on Grok AI, it's going to generate the video for you automatically. But not to worry, you can also give it the prompt that it's going to say, and then it will be generated. And most of the time, when you give Grok AI to generate a video for you, it might not give you a very good result. That is not an issue. You can as well regenerate until you get your desired result. Okay, so you can see that it has generated a video for us, but here we are going to input our prompt. Okay, so now I've inputted my prompt. That's the prompt of what the mother is going to say. So when you type in your prompt, you're going to make sure you add dialogue in Nigerian accent, the accent you want them to speak with. So this is the prompt of the mother. This is what the mother is going to say. Take this 1,000 naira, go to the market and buy fish, pepper, and tomatoes. Make sure you collect my change. Do you hear me? Now, if you give Grok AI a prompt that is too long, it might end up generating something else for you. So you can break down your prompts and regenerate it. Don't worry, Grok AI is unlimited. You can generate unlimited number of videos, okay? So I'm going to shorten this prompt a little. So I'm going to cut out this last part. Let me see. Let's see how it will go. And then you're going to write here. So I just included a little. I said, mother says, Amara, take this 1,000 naira, go to the market and buy fish, pepper, and tomatoes. So let's generate it and see what we get. Okay, now it has generated our video. So let's see if it will give us exactly what we want. Or if not, we'll regenerate.
At the kitchen, low mayooned killer chains.
So you can see it did not give us a good result. So we're still going to shorten the prompt. So we can say, Amara, take this 1,000 naira, go to the market. Let's take out this last from this and let's take it out and generate. Okay, so our video is ready. Now let's play it and see.
Amara, take this 1,000, go to the market.
You see what I was saying? You can see that it was able to generate very well. So it's always very good you shorten your prompt. So now let's include the next part of our prompt so that the woman can finish the sentence. Okay, so our video is ready and let's play it.
Buy fish, pepper, and tomatoes. Make sure you collect my change. Do you hear?
Yes, mommy.
Buy.
So you can see that we're able to get this. And even Grok AI helped us with what the little girl will say and she responded. That notwithstanding, we also have a prompt for the little girl. So we're still going to include the prompt for the little girl. So I've inputted the prompt for the little girl, and let's generate. Okay, so our video is ready. Let's play it and see.
Yes, mommy. I'll be fast, I promise.
You can see we've gotten what the girl has said. Okay, so at this point, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please, this is the right time. Click that subscribe button, and also give a like to this video if you're enjoying this tutorial. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you can always get notified whenever I upload new video. Okay, so moving forward, we're going to create the next dialogue. So I have entered my next dialogue. Now let's watch the video.
Good. And don't play on the road. Come straight home.
Okay, so we're going to enter the next dialogue again for the little girl. Okay, so the next dialogue has been generated. Now let's watch.
I won't play, I promise.
So you can see that Grok AI is very, very good when it comes to creating videos like this. Now, with this method, you can actually create long form videos of up to 30 minutes videos, because Grok AI is unlimited and it will help you generate as many videos as you can. Okay, so when you can use the same method to generate the video of all the different scenes using the dialogues, and then when that is done, you're going to come over here and click on download. Okay, you're going to download your video. So you can actually scroll this way and you see all the images, all the videos that you have created so far. Okay, all right. So now the next thing you're going to do is to go to any editing app of your choice to arrange your video, so and also cut out any unwanted part of the video that you do not want. Okay, so for me, I use InShot to edit my video, so I'm going to head over to InShot. So this is InShot, and I'm going to click on new project, and then I'm going to select all the videos and then we'll arrange them. So when you have uploaded all your videos, now you're going to edit them and cut out the parts you don't want. Okay, let's start from here.
Amara, take this 1,000. Go to the market.
So we're going to cut out this part.
Buy fish.
Okay, you're going to delete it.
Go to the market. Buy fish, pepper, and tomatoes. Buy fish, pepper, and tomatoes. Make sure you collect my change. Do you hear?
Yes, mommy.
Okay, so that part where the little girl says yes, mommy, we need to cut that part out.
Do you hear? Change. Do you hear? Change. Do you hear?
Yes, mommy.
Now, when you're done editing, and then you're going to export your video. So now let's watch the full video. So when you are done, all you need to do is just go ahead and export your video, and you are done with your editing. So if this tutorial was helpful, please don't forget, like I said earlier, like this video, subscribe to this channel, and hit the notification bell so that you can always get notified whenever I upload new video. And also, do not forget to join my WhatsApp group. I created a new WhatsApp group for creators so that we can all share ideas together. So if you're a creator or an aspiring creator, don't forget to join my WhatsApp group. I'll be leaving the link in the description of this video and also in the pinned comment of this video. So click on that link and join the group so that you can meet with other creators, for everyone to share ideas together. So sit back and watch our fully edited video.
Ah, my daughter, what do you want to buy?
Good afternoon, Mama. Please give me fish and 1 cup of pepper.
All right, fine girl. Fresh fish just came this morning. Here. That will be 750 naira.
Here is 1,000 naira, Ma.
Thank you, my dear. A good choice. Take your balance. 250 naira. Greet your mother for me. Okay, bye. What is taking this girl so long? She left almost an hour ago. I warned her not to play on the road. Amara, if I find her playing, I won't take it lightly with her. Amara, so you are here playing? Look at the time.
You forgot.
You forgot? After all my warnings.
Mommy, please, I'm sorry.
Sorry for yourself. We'll talk at home.